May the 4th be with you, and welcome to Moments of the Magic. I'm Joe, and since it's May the 4th, might as well talk about Star Wars. And one thing that, we got at our last stop at Disney is this lightsaber. We went and built one from Savi's workshop, and I love it, but the batteries died. So we're going to go over on how to change the batteries in the lightsaber. So come on in.
This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight. Not as clumsy or random as a blaster. An elegant weapon for a more civilized age.
So the first part is you're going to take the bottom part of the hilt off. Just unscrew that. And then this part here, you just pull this out. And then there's a screw right here. Now you just unscrew this. Slide that off, and then you have your 3 batteries. Take those out. And then you put the new ones in. What you're going to do is you're going to line up this part here to this part here. Screw this back in. And then what you have to do is you gotta look for this red sticker right here. And then there is a red sticker on the inside right here. And then you activate. So that, my friends, is how you go about changing the batteries in the Savi Workshop lightsaber. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and may the Force be with you. Have a great day.